If you're still using a Hotmail address and want the full power and updated features of Outlook, this video will walk you through exactly how to make that transition quickly, safely, and without losing any of your email data. Let's get right into it. To start, open your web browser and head to the Microsoft 365 sign-in page. This is where all Microsoft email accounts, Hotmail included, are now managed under Outlook. Once the page loads, click Sign In, then enter your Hotmail email and password. This step simply verifies that you're the rightful account owner. After signing in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. This is where your inbox, calendar, and productivity tools now live. If you haven't used Outlook before, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. This will become your new dashboard moving forward. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon or your name. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose Profile, which will take you to the section where your account details are managed. From here, there's one more place you need to visit, your main Microsoft account home. You can get there by clicking the Microsoft account link shown on the page. This hub controls all your core Microsoft settings, not just email. Once you're on the Microsoft account homepage, go to the section labeled Your Info. This is where Microsoft stores your personal details, identity settings, and contact information. Scroll until you find the email address section and open it. Here, you'll see options to verify your current email or add an Outlook address if your Hotmail isn't already updated. Simply follow the prompts, confirm the changes, and once that's done, your Hotmail address will be fully upgraded and recognized under the Outlook system. And that's it. Your old Hotmail account now works seamlessly within the Outlook platform, giving you a cleaner interface, better security, and all the modern tools built into Microsoft's ecosystem. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments. And if you ran into any issues, feel free to drop your questions below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your upgraded Outlook experience.